Chapter 3, Sloka 8. Niyatang kuru karmatvam. Niyatang kuru karmatvam. Niyatang kuru karmatvam. Karmajyayo ya karmanah. Karmajyayo ya karmanah. Karmajyayo ya karmanah. Niyatang kuru karmatvam. Karmajayo 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 ya karmanah. Sharirayatra pichate. Sharirayatra pichate. Sharirayatra pichate. Na prasiddhyed karmanah. Na prasiddhyed karmanah. न प्रसिद्ध्येद कर्मणः शरीरयात्रापि च ते 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 न प्रसिद्ध्येद कर्मणः नियतं कुरु कर्म त्वं कर्मजाह्यो य कर्मणः शरीरयात्रापि च ते न प्रसिद्ध्येद कर्मणः.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.